Welcome to the practical section. We have started the new chapter, that is map reading. I have given the introduction. Now we are coming to the software SunClock. Okay. To get the SunClock software, you have to click on Application, Education, and scroll down and select SunClock. Write it down. Application, Education, SunClock. This is the window which is opening. What you have to do is you have to maximize it. To maximize, you all know the second button on the right side. Okay, this is the SunClock window. Here you can see the darker part and the light. This shows the night and day. Now in India it is night, as I am recording at that time. Okay, yes. And now you can see no toolbar is available there. ഒരു toolbar ഇവിടെ കാണാനില്ല അല്ലേ? To get the toolbar you have to click. You can click anywhere and you will get a toolbar. See, this is the toolbars. The alphabets are written here. We have circled the alphabets which we have to learn. One by one we will learn about it. Okay. The first we will learn how to remove this light and shade part. That means how to hide or the night and day separation. The night and day separation is shown here. How will you remove this? How will you hide this? To hide this, you have to click on N button. N. N is used for hiding the separation between night and day. Listen carefully. It is known as toggle night. What is the name of this tool? Toggle night. Click on that. When I click on it, see? Yes. With 2 or 3 clicks it will go. Okay, if you want it again, what will you do? Click on N button again. To show or hide it is used. We have learned the N button. What is the use? What is the name? Toggle night. What is the use? To show or hide the separation between night and what? Day. Okay. Now we are learning the time zone. So we want the time zone map. To get the time zone map, there are 2 buttons. One is the exclamation mark and the second one is the W, the new map window. And exclamation, the name of this tool is clock and map window. What is the name? You have to learn the name also. Clock and map window. Exclamation mark. Click on it and you will get the time zone map. Time zone. See why these lines are not straight? The longitudinal lines are not straight. Why? Because this area is under this for the time. You know, in the time area time correct same ആയിരിക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. That you have learned in geography. Okay. Now this is the time zone map. Here, to get the meridians, that means the longitudes. To get the longitudes, you have to click on M button. Toggle meridian. M. Toggle meridian. When I click on M button, see what happens? See, you can see the dotted lines in between. Yes. Now Once again I am going to click on M. When I click on M, what happens? The degrees come 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and to the west it is -10, -20. Okay, like this. I got the degrees. Then once again if I am clicking on M, what happens? The degrees will go to the top. Clear? If you want to remove the degree, once again click on M. It will be removed. What is the use of M button? What is the name of it? Toggle meridian. It is used to show or hide the longitudinal lines. It is used to show or hide the longitudinal lines. I am once again clicking on M. You can see the lines. Once again clicking. You can see the degrees. If I click once more, it will go to the top. The degrees will be shown on the top. Clear? That is M. We have learned N, M, and the exclamation mark. Clear? Yes. Now we will learn T button. T. T, the name is Toggle Tropic, Equator and Arctic. That is the name of the tool. When I click on this, what happens? I can see the main parallel lines, latitudinal lines. The main latitudinal lines. It is used to show or hide the latitudinal. Once again I am clicking on T, what happens? It will go. To show or hide the main latitudinal. How many main latitudinal lines are there? 5. Arctic, then Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and Antarctic. Isn't it? These are the 5 main latitudinal lines. Then we have learned T. It is used to show or hide latitudinal lines. Okay. Then we want the parallel lines. These are the main lines. Parallel lines at a 10-degree difference. Isn't it? To get the parallel lines, you have to click on P. P. When I click on P, what happens? You can see the dotted lines. Once again, I am clicking on P. The degrees comes on the left side. Once again, I am clicking on P. It goes to the right side. The degrees goes to right side. Once again, I am clicking on P. It will go. Okay. To get the degree, you have to click twice. Okay. By the first click, only the lines will come. In the second click, you will get the degrees. That is the point. Okay. P is used to get the parallel lines, not the main lines. To get the main lines, you have to click on T. To get the parallel lines with the 10-degree difference, you have to click on P. P. See, 0 degree, 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 10-degree difference. To downwards, it is -10, -20, -30. It goes like that. Okay. Then, when we open the time zone map, what time is shown here? By default, legal time is shown here. What time? Legal time. Where will you see the time? At the bottom left corner. Chapter introduce ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഒരു സ്ഥലത്ത് നോക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. എന്താണ്? ബോട്ടം ലെഫ്റ്റ് കോർണർ. കണ്ടോ? അവിടെ ലീഗൽ ടൈമാണ് എഴുതി കാണിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. IST, Indian Standard Time. To get the legal time, you have to click on L. legal time കിട്ടാൻ ഏതിലാ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? legal time mode. That is the name of this tool. To display the standard time, to show the standard time, you have to click on L. Okay, then to show the solar time, you have to click on S. Solar time. What do you mean by solar time? It depends upon the what? It depends upon the position of the sun. It is based on the position of the sun. The time based on the position of the sun is solar time, S. When I click on S, what is written here? Click on a location. ഒരു ലൊക്കേഷനിൽ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താലേ അതിൻ്റെ സോളാർ ടൈം അറിയാൻ പറ്റൂ. ഓക്കെ, ഐ എം ഗോയിങ് ടു ഇന്ത്യ. സം പ്ലേസസ് ആർ മാർക്ക്ഡ് ഇൻ യെല്ലോ കളർ. യെല്ലോ ഡോട്ട്സ് ആയിട്ട് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് ചില പ്ലേസസ്. കണ്ടോ, ഒരു യെല്ലോ ഡോട്ട്സ് കാണുന്നത്? ദേ ആർ ദ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് പ്ലേസസ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഇവിടെ ചെന്നൈയിൽ ഞാൻ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവുകയാണ് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ when I click on S button, what should be written on the bottom left corner? Bottom left corner എന്ത് എഴുതി കാണിക്കും? Click on a location. What is solar time? Is based on the position of the sun of a particular place. Okay, I am clicking on the solar time of Chennai. Clicking on it. See, Madras. Then the solar time is shown here. Get it? Yes. This is the way to get the solar time. To get the solar time, what do you have to do? You have to click on yes. It will be asking for what? Click on a location. Then you can select a location. It will show the solar time. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ചെന്നൈയുടെ സോളാർ ടൈം നമ്മൾ കണ്ടു. ഇനി ചെന്നൈയുടെ സൺറൈസ് ആൻഡ് സൺസെറ്റ്. ഹൗ വിൽ യു ഫൈൻഡ് ദ സൺറൈസ് ആൻഡ് സൺസെറ്റ് ഓഫ് എ പർട്ടിക്കുലർ പ്ലേസ്? ടു ഗെറ്റ് ദ സൺറൈസ് ആൻഡ് സൺസെറ്റ്, you have to click on C. Which button? C. C button is used. Okay, I'm clicking on C. See, sunrise, sunset. Of which place? Madras. Click on C and click on that place. We have clicked on that place earlier, so it is not asking. Okay, what do you have to do? Click on C and click on the place, then it will show the sunrise and sunset. Which button is used? C button. Use coordinate mode. That button is used. Okay, today we have learned, what are the buttons we have learned? N button to show or hide what? The day and night. M for showing the meridians. Then P to show the parallels with a 10-degree difference. T to show what? The main parallel lines. Exclamation to get the time zone map. L for legal time. S for solar time. And C to show the sunrise and sunset. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.